Hey everybody, it's Nick Stewart with Virtual Speed Performance. I'm going to be starting a new series called Tech Time. It's going to feature a bunch of stuff, a lot behind the scenes in the garage, some of the maintenance that you see on the race cars, a little bit more in depth, and things like weighing a carbon fiber door versus a fiberglass door. Okay, so why am I showing you guys the difference between a carbon fiber door and a fiberglass door? Well, in drag racing, a popular modification to your drag car, whether it's a S10 or a Camaro or whatever it may be, is to ditch the steel doors and go with something a little bit more lighter, like a glass door here. All right, so this is a typical fiberglass door you'll see on pretty much any race car at the drag strip that is running fiberglass doors. It is a VFN door. This door actually came off this Camaro right here. It's got the Lexan windows and the frame. No thrills, no frills. So this is a carbon fiber door. Came off the Mustang back here. The only difference between these two doors, other than one being fiberglass and this one being carbon fiber, is the door opener right here and the window lock. Otherwise, they have the window support frame and the Lexan window. So although, yes, they're very similar and, they're both doors, they both have windows, but the big differences are in weight, supposedly, and price differences. So where this is going to be a $500 door, mine, $400 to $500 on, for this door here. And I'd say 1,500-ish, maybe getting up there to $2,000 on this door. Now, it all depends on budget. So the average guy, weekend bracket car, maybe a small tire Fox body Mustang, not operating on a whole big budget, but wants to pick up some ET, he's more than likely gonna go with the fiberglass door. So the carbon fiber doors you'll see on a higher budget operation or team or car, like these pro mods here, or somebody trying to, at 3,500 pounds, trying to shed to 3,200 pounds and make a weight in a class. But let me show you guys what these two doors weigh. We got our scale set up here. It is a Proform scale that we use for, when scaling the race cars. When we weigh the doors, you're gonna watch for the front left side over here, because that's the scale that we have hooked up. Let's get to it. So we're gonna start with the fiberglass door. What do you think it's gonna weigh?
I don't know.
I'm thinking.
I don't know. I need a 40.
Honestly, I would say 45.
Okay.
45.
I picked it up for myself, so.
Okay, well. All right. Drum roll, please.
It looks like a whole 22 pounds.
22 pounds.
22, 23. It's bouncing.
20. So call it 22 because it's.
Yeah. It's sitting on 22 now.
Wow. So 22 pounds on a fiberglass door.
I'm impressed.
I'm kind of impressed too, actually. But it kind of takes two hands to really pick it up, though.
It's probably because of the shape.
Yeah, it's awkward. It's awkward. All right. Anyway.
Let's get to that carbon fiber.
Let's get to the carbon fiber. Let's get to what everybody wants to see. Try and not drop it.
Do not let it fall. We have repainted that door like 2 or 3 times now.
We ain't gonna say that. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. Now this is gonna be interesting.
Oh,
13. Wait.
14. Yep.
13 pounds.
13 pounds for some carbon fiber.
So
that's about 20 on for both doors. You're shedding if you use carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Taking off 20 pounds.
So 22 pounds, 13 pounds. 22 pounds versus 13 pounds. You're saving about 9 pounds each door, so maybe about 20 pounds that you save. Now, Is it worth it? I don't know. I guess it really depends if you're trying to get every last ET out of it. But that'll do it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, check out www.virtualspeedperformance.com for all your new and used hot rod and performance parts. I thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time.